Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at the widest bridge in Jamaica. It's actually still under construction. It's the Rio Minho Bridge in Clarendon, and it's the bridge straight ahead. According to the NAA, the National Works Agency, when completed, this will be the widest bridge in Jamaica. It's going to be 4 lanes. And NAA is responsible for all the main roads in Jamaica and all the bridges on those main roads. So they are the best person to go by when they say this will be the widest bridge. It's definitely very wide. It's going to be 4 lanes. Now this bridge connects the existing Highway 2000 road, which is the PJ Patterson Highway in Maypen, to the one that's being built to Mandeville. So the current highway runs from Kingston to Maypen. That's finished, that's up and running, and that highway ends at the Rio Minho roundabout, and then they're building a second section of that highway now from Maypen to Mandeville. The highway was originally designed to run from Kingston to Mandeville, but because of the cost associated, they did it in 2 parts. They built the Kingston to Maypen part, which is completed, and then now they're working on the Maypen to Mandeville part. So that's where the Rio Minho Bridge comes in. It goes over the Rio Minho River, and this is where both highways are going to meet. Both sections, I should say. So this highway, this section runs from Maypen to Mandeville, to Manchester, Mandeville, or more specifically from this spot, the Rio Minho Bridge, to Williamsfield in Manchester. So you can drive from Kingston to Manchester in 45 minutes when this roadway is completed. And this is what they call the Highway 2000 project. Now it has many different phases. This phase from Kingston to Mandeville, that was one part of the project. Another part was the road from Kingston to Ocho Rios, which is completed. It's now called the Edward Seaga Highway. And this section from Kingston to Mandeville is called the PJ Patterson Highway. They're named after former prime ministers of Jamaica. Now from Maypen here to another section of the road is going to be built from Maypen to Discovery Bay. That section hasn't started yet. And then another section of Highway 2000 will take you from Williamsfield in Manchester to Montego Bay. So when completed, this will be like the greatest road network in Jamaica. And it's being done in phases because it's very expensive to build these roads. So you have to give the government time. And it's not just building the roads, you have to buy the land, you have to plot the routes. Takes time, but the government, I have to say, is doing an excellent job in building these super highways. And China Harbour Engineering Company seems to be the company that's building all the future highways. Okay, so straight ahead now, above where you see those lights, that's where the PJ Patterson Highway ends. The Maypen leg ends at that roundabout, and it's directly in line with this bridge. So when they're ready, they just run this road directly up to the other one, and the highway is up and running. Okay, now you can get a nice view of the existing bridge. That's the Maypen bypass bridge, and you can, well, maybe you can't see it on the camera, but it's very small compared to this new roadway that's being built. So this is the top of the bridge. We have a drone, so we're going to start putting up drone footage soon in these videos. Yeah, this is definitely a very wide bridge, and it looks like it's going to have the concrete barricade in between it. You can see they're building it. It's going to be 4 lanes, 2 in each direction, and yep, I see it now. It's definitely the widest bridge in Jamaica. I'm trying to think where else has a 4-lane bridge in Jamaica, but I can't think of anywhere that has a 4-lane bridge currently. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Alright, so we're going to go and show you now where the PJ Patterson Highway, the existing highway ends, so you can get an idea of where they're going to join. But you guys will have to say the government is really doing an excellent job in improving these main roads and building these highways. And these projects fall under the Ministry of Economic Growth, and that's where the National Works Agency is located now. It used to be in the Ministry of Transport, but I guess because of these highways and these projects, the National Works Agency is now in the Ministry of Economic Growth. And the NWA is the government agency that's responsible for all the main roads in Jamaica and the bridges that go along with those main roads. So they are the government agency that is in charge of these highways as well. Although they have another one called NROC, but we'll discuss that in another video. Okay, so if we turn left there, we go on the Maypen bypass. And if we turn left here, we also go on the Maypen bypass where that truck is coming from. And then here now, at this left turn, that's where the highway ends. The PJ Patterson Highway, it ends right there and that road is directly in line with the bridge that's straight ahead. So when completed, they'll just take out the roundabout and join the two roads. And the Maypen bypass will stay where it is because it actually doesn't go on the roundabout. So that's the plan, and this project is more than 50% complete. If I was to guess, I would say about 70% complete. But it's coming along nicely, and the road should be open soon. And as we said, you can drive from Kingston to Mandeville in 45 minutes. So we're on the Maypen bypass bridge now, the existing bridge. And this road will stay as is, the Maypen bypass. They're not going to interfere with it because the highway, the PJ Patterson Highway, is going to be a toll road. So if you're going to use that road, you're going to have to pay. From Kingston to Maypen in a class 2 vehicle, that's like a SUV, you pay $1,000. I'm not sure what class 1 is or class 3, but we're actually going to make a video on the toll rates the toll road, the rates to use those highways, the toll rates, one day. So I'm kind of curious too, but we know class 2. So it's $1,000 to Maypen. So from Maypen to Mandeville, I'm not sure how much more it's going to be. Alright, so we're now entering the town of Maypen. We're on Glenmuir Drive now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.